If you would like to decrease your weight, inflammation, and improve your gut health, then you need to be having more fermented foods in your diet. There was a super interesting study that I read a couple of years back now, and they compared a high fermented food diet with a high fiber diet. And the people who consumed a high fiber diet had decreased inflammatory markers. The group that included high fiber and high fermented food diets had much higher, much more reduced incidences of inflammation. And so the reason why fermented foods is so important is because it creates a diverse gut microbiome. When we talk about gut microbiome, we're talking about like the bacteria and stuff that live in your intestines. And so basically, the better gut microbiome you can have, it means the wider range of foods you can eat without getting upset. And the better your body is going to process those foods, the better able your body is to process them, the decreased inflammation you will have, the decreased stress it will put on the other aspects of your body. And it means you can go through and worry about all that other stuff if your gut microbiome is in good check. How much fermented food should you be eating? We recommend 3 servings of fermented foods per day. In the study that I was talking about previously or just earlier, they had up to 6 servings of fermented foods. To be honest with you, I just really struggle to get that much in, and they're easily expensive. So we aim for a minimum of 3. The way that I sort of start to include that into my diet is my favorite ones are, we go kombucha. So we make our own kombucha at home just because it's pretty easy and it's much cheaper than buying the store-bought stuff. We outsource kimchi because I just don't have time or the patience to do it. But we get some kimchi. The other things that I sort of include, which are nice and easy as well, is Greek yogurt. And then I'm having Jalna pot set. So it's like very low sugar, lower sugar than others. You can chuck some honey in or you can chuck some fruit in. It makes it really nice. Or kefir. I'm starting to get into kefir, and I think that'll be my next project that I start working on, is making our own kefir at home. Other forms of fermented foods can be things like tempeh or also sauerkraut, which I go to, but I like the kimchi because there's a little bit of spice and stuff in there, and it generally gets a few more different vegetables in it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the button below. Make sure you keep up with all our latest videos as they come out. If you would like some more information, you can head over to our website, which will be in the comments below. And finally, if you have any questions, make sure you pop them in the comments section below.